Hello, here we're going to take a look at the definition of a slope. The slope of a line through the distinct points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is labeled with the lowercase m, and it's a ratio of change in y out of change in x. So in order to calculate it, you would take y2 minus y1 and divide it by x2 minus x1. So here we have example A, where we have to calculate slope m for the line going through points -3, -4 and -1, 6. So in order to calculate slope m, we're going to take a ratio of change in y and change in x. So the first point we have -3, -4, so let's have it x1, y1. And the second point we have -1, 6, so let's have it x2, y2. The slope is y2 minus y1 in numerator. So instead of y2, let's substitute 6. So 6 minus y1 is -4. Since it's negative, let's put it inside of the parentheses. So minus -4. Out of x2, we have x2 is equal to -1. So minus 1 in denominator minus x1 is -3, so let's put it in parentheses as well. So slope m is equal to, in numerator we have 6 minus -4, so 6. Negative times negative is a positive, so plus 4. In denominator we have -1 minus -3, so -1. Negative times negative we get plus 3. This gives us slope is equal to, in numerator we have 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10, out of, in denominator we have -1 plus 3, different signs is a difference, and the difference is positive 2. So we get slope m is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. And this is our solution. In example B, we have points of -1, 3, and -4, 5. So into the formula, I'm going to substitute -1 instead of x1, 3 instead of y1. So because this is the first point. And in the second point, we have -4, 5. So x2 is -4, y2 is 5. So we get slope m is equal to a ratio. In numerator we have change in y, so we take a difference between y values, so y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is 3. In denominator we have change in x, so x2, which is -4, minus x1 is -1, so I'm going to put it in parentheses, -1. And we get slope m is equal to, in numerator we have 5 minus 3, so difference is 2, out of -4. Negative times negative, we have plus 1. So we get slope is equal to 2 out of -4 plus 1 is -3. And we get slope is equal to +2 divided by -3 is -2 out of 3. And this is our solution. That's all.